Good morning, everyone. So I'm here this morning. It is Monday. I meant to film this yesterday, but yesterday was kind of a sit on the couch and do absolutely nothing day. This morning I'm drinking cold brew and Swiss cacao ketones. And I thought I would film this because I did the draw for the giveaway. And here, I will insert that here. So congratulations, Carrie. If you want to contact me, probably the easiest way to contact me to give me your mailing address is on Instagram, on direct message. So my Instagram handle is Because We Bike, just like my YouTube channel, all one word. And you can contact me there and we can get you all sorted. So congratulations. And thank you everyone for entering. It was a pretty small giveaway, which was fine with me. I'll do another one maybe when we hit 500 subscribers or 1,000 subscribers, somewhere in there. So I'm going to start collecting again for giveaway. I will, every time I see something that isn't going to expire or if it's something that will expire, then I'll get it closer to when I'm going to do the giveaway. And yeah, so anyways, it was a good giveaway. Thank you so much for everyone who entered. Thank you so much for all the kind comments. And I think that's going to be it for this video. Today is a fasting day, so I won't be eating until tomorrow evening. So I'm just going to continue sipping on my ketones, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.